Have you ever wanted to hoop your little heart out, only to find that your friends are so much better than you are? Sure, hooping seems like a lot of fun, but it wastes so much of that precious energy. There's gotta be an easier way. Thankfully, there's the energy lessening hip oscillating optical prototype from SparkFun Industries, or the L-Hoop. The secret behind the L-Hoop's technology is that it gives you the appearance of hooping even when you're just standing still. Thankfully, the EL-Hoop allows you to hoop until your heart's content with little to no energy exertion. Simply place the hoop over your head, turn on each one of the 3 individual energy capsules, and get hooping. Hooping anywhere has never been easier. At the heart of the L-Hoop is electroluminescent wire. We've done a few different demos of electroluminescent wire here on the new Friday product post show, but this is a little bit different than some of the wire panels and strips that we've had previously. This is chasing EL wire. Chasing EL wire is slightly different than a traditional EL wire in that it actually has several strands inside, and you sequence them very quickly, and it looks like it is chasing or moving along the strip. We have the chasing EL wire in many different colors. We've got this yellow, we've got a green, we've got this red, we've got a blue, we've got a white, we've got this orange, a purple, and then just kind of like the electric blue color. All of these come in the standard 3-meter length, and they're terminated with these little JST connectors that have a common pin and then the 3 different pins for the EL wire. We also have an adapter that breaks this out into 3 separate JSTs, so you can use this on something like the El Escudo or the EL sequencer. In addition to all the wires and the connector, we also have an inverter that has the correct plug on it, and when you connect it in with the EL wire, it will properly do the sequence and properly do the chasing. Here we have a coil of the green EL wire, and this is just on, and if we press the button again, you can see it goes a little slower, and then a little slower still, and one more click and it's off. So that is how the inverter works, and it just takes a couple AA batteries, so it's really easy to get one of these up and running. To construct the L-Hoop, we simply took 3 strands of the EL wire and we placed 3 inverters throughout the length of tubing. And we have everything just kind of inside this tube, and so when we turn on the 3 inverters, we get this nice little hoop of glowing awesomeness. Next up, we have a couple new power supplies this week. These are very similar to the ones that we've been selling for many years, except for these are a little bit more high current. These are 2 amp instead of the, I think it was like a 1200 milliamp was our previous ones. So the 2 amp is good for all you single board computer users out there. Things like the PC Arduino, Raspberry Pi, and BeagleBone Black all require a higher current plug-in wall wart. Both of these are 5 volt 2 amp. We have it in the traditional barrel jack style, and then we also have one in the micro USB plug as well. So if you're into single board computers and looking for an inexpensive wall wart to plug into it, check out either one of these guys. And lastly, we've got a nice little screwdriver. We got this because, quite frankly, we're always needing just kind of an extra basic screwdriver, and this is really nice, has a lot of different bits. It's an all aluminum chassis, and you can hear it's got some stuff inside. So if I open up the end cap, you can see it has this nice little selection of bits that just magnetically pop there in the front. And when you're done, you can put all the bits back inside the barrel, and you have this nice little travel pencil style screwdriver. These are the new products that we have for this week. As always, we have more new products on the website, so go ahead and check that out at sparkfun.com. And also AVC is this weekend, so be sure to go ahead and check that out. Just register to be a spectator, and we'll see you at the Boulder Reservoir Saturday for AVC. See you next week with even more new products.